Hey guys, chapter 5, lesson 6. This is average miles driven per year. So in order to find the average miles, you're just going to go ahead and divide by how many years the amount of miles the car has. So example, and then they want you to round to the nearest mile. So in this case you have 30,365.7 miles. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to punch that in over here. 30,365.7, and you're going to divide that by the number of years, which is 3, and I'm going to get 10,121.9 miles. So that's going to round to 10,122 miles per year. The average that somebody usually drives, they say, is between 12 and 16,000. So when you go ahead and buy a car and you figure out the average miles, you want to make sure they didn't drive like too much. So like if you buy a used car that's 2 years old and it's got 70,000 miles on it, that means they drove 35,000 miles each year. So that's not really too good for the car. So that's just a good exercise in finding the average per year. And again, the average is between 12 and 16,000. So this one was driven less than that, so that would be a pretty decent vehicle to purchase. It's a 3-year-old car. Same thing for the workbook exercises. It's just finding the average number of miles, and that is section 5.6.